In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture like so. Then go to the top right and select on this cogwheel icon like so, and then we will get a menu that looks like this. From here, go ahead and select on security and privacy. Then go ahead and press on this option that does say reset app, and this is basically going to delete your Phantom Wallet. However, before you do this, make sure that you do get all your crypto out of your account, all of your assets and stuff like that, because if you do delete your account and you still have those assets on those accounts, then they will also be deleted. But the point is, you want to make sure that your Phantom Wallet account is completely empty before you do this. But once you got everything ready and you're 100% sure that you want to delete your Phantom Wallet, go ahead and press on reset app, and then basically all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on continue, and it will remove all existing accounts and data. Make sure you have your recovery phase and private keys backed up, guys. This is really important. But I'm not actually going to delete my account in this video, but you can definitely do so by pressing on continue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.